Is fiber really better for gaming? Short answer, yes. Be sure to watch the whole video so you can find out why. If this video is helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, or comment. Reason number one, it's really fast because how it transmits and receives the data. Fiber is the future. It's the newest thing out there, it's the fastest thing out there, and we can deliver you the fastest upload and download speeds. Let me say that again, the fastest upload and download speeds. We offer symmetrical speeds, so your download speed is the same as your upload speed. For instance, if you have our 1 gig service, you're getting 1 gig down and 1 gig up. That provides a huge solution for our gamers out there and all your internet needs. Download and upload speeds are the same. The second thing gamers are worried about is packet loss, latency. Fiber solves all those issues. Now, what is packet loss? That's just pretty much when data arrives too late. What is latency? High latency is just unnatural delays. So if you want consistency, reliability, fiber is the way to go. Latency, packet loss, jitter is all a thing of the past with a fiber connection. Reason number 3, that download and upload speed. That's very important to gamers. All gamers need that download and the upload speed in order to have an enjoyable experience. With a fiber connection, that download and upload speed allows you to game, stream, do anything video related that has that demand on the upload without a worry in the world. So now that you know a little bit more about fiber, you can see that it blows old DSL or cable connections out of the water. If you're looking for a reliable fiber connection, be sure to click the link below and see if Wyyerd is available in your area.